Recording is on.
All right, guys. Thank you. Now, there are two constraints to this. The first is the number should only be greater than zero. That's if I enter that I want to buy minus 4 pigs. Is that possible? No. Now, secondly, the user cannot buy more than the livestock available for each inventory or for each category. Now, if I want to buy 21 horses, is that possible? It should not happen. I can't buy more than what? 20 horses because I have 10 horses here and 10 horses here. Do you understand? Now, finally, for that question is what? After buying, it should display a success message. Now, a success message is just like say, congratulations, you just bought 5 pigs or something, or thank you for buying so so and so with us. Do you understand? So that's what um V is asking us to do. Do you understand? Now, for the next question, it should also display the total amount present in the first wallet. That is, after buying, we want to display the amount that is left in our first wallet and the total amount present in the second wallet, and also this total amount. That is, we want to print farm Bitcoin wallet balance, then we want to also print what? Farm Bitcoin wallet balance too. Then finally, the school should also like to know the remaining number of livestock available for sale. Now, for example, if you sell 10 pigs, now how many pigs would we have left? We already have 70 pigs here. We already have 70 pigs here plus 12 pigs. We have 82 pigs. Now, if we sell 4 pigs, if we sell 4 pigs out of 82, we should have what? 78 pigs left. So you just have to tell them you have 78 pigs left. Now, that's all on the questions. And I understand that a lot of people are actually lost on the way, or we're lost on the way while we're explaining this. I understand fully. And this is why it's a project. The reason for project is not to actually get it by somebody explaining to you. It's for you to understand every step of it and own your answers. If I say let's start asking questions, I know a lot of people will start asking me, I don't understand from here and here again. So what I will do for you is just a favor I'm going to do for you. I'm going to send this document now, immediately after this session, and I want everybody to go through it. And let's see if you understand. And likewise, I'll make this recording available for everybody. So I don't want to accept more questions because if I do, a lot of people would tell me how much they don't understand. And if not even how much they don't understand, we'll have to do this till 9 p.m. today. So please and please, any question you want to ask me must only be asked after you've actually watched the recording and also you've actually read through this document. Now, if you don't understand by then, that is when I would help you. But if you do not and you ask me to help you, I don't think I'll be able to help you. Does that make sense, everybody? Does that make sense, everyone?
Yeah, sir. Come again,
All
sir.
right. So I'll call it a day here, and we are going to end the session here today. Thank you all for attending today's coding session, and I hope to see you guys in class. Just watch out for the questions. I'll send it to you. Thanks for coming, everyone. Thank you very much.